Hello, everyone. So this is the appendix for the main training about business growth opportunities with Unified Contact Center, UCC. In this explanation, I will try to guide you step by step on how to link Facebook business account with UCC. And mainly and specifically, I will talk about Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp because these two channels are the most important channels that usually are requested by our customers. So let's go to the developers.facebook.com. Here, if you log in here for the first time, it will ask you to create a developer account. I already have one, so it will automatically show me that I am already logged in. Next step is to go to click on this My Apps. Here you will create your first app in Facebook. Again, I already have many apps because I already created this previously. So first you will click on the Create App button. You will give app name like UCC integration, for example. You provide the contact email. This is the main email address that you will use to administrate the app. And then click next. Now the use case for this app, usually we choose other because usually because what we want from this app is to access page messages or to link a WhatsApp number and so on. So it's actually none of the above. We choose other and then next. I want this, of course, for business use. To link Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Then next. This page is a summary of the details that we provided. Confirm and create the app. You may require to provide a password or two-factor authentication. It depends on your business account. After the app is created, now this is the main dashboard page for this app. Through this Facebook app, we can add Messenger, we can add Instagram or WhatsApp or any other product to this app. But mainly in our use case, we will focus on the top three. We'll go through the step-by-step for Messenger first, and then we move to WhatsApp. For Messenger, click on the Setup. In this setup, we will add our API that we use to link with the UCC. So first of all, it will ask you for the URL of the API. So in this API, of course, it will be provided by our side because it is our API that we have developed. And it will ask you for a verification token. Also, this one, it will be provided by our side as well. So I click verify and save. Okay, so now the first step of configuring the API or the webhook URL is already done. Next step is to link a Facebook page and generate a token. This token is used to secure the request. Whatever message you need to send or receive through this app, it should be secured. That's why Facebook require to generate a token. Now here it will redirect me to log in again and choose one of the page that I am administrator in. I will choose one page and click Save. Okay. Now the page is added to my app. After I add the page, I need to add subscription to this page. Now, subscription means what are the events that I want to subscribe from this page. Because in the Facebook page, I may have messages, I may have feed, reaction, many events provided by Facebook. So mainly I will choose messages for now. I may choose also message deliveries, message reads, if I want to know if the customer already received the message and read it. So the three are useful in our case for UCC. Click confirm. and then generate the token. Now, this token, we need to keep it secure, copy, and then pass to us. Then later we use it to authenticate the request when we send or receive messages through the Facebook Messenger. Now, until this point, we already added the Facebook page that we need, and we already link the Facebook page to the UCC API, and all these steps already done. Next step for Facebook Messenger, it require app review. So this app review steps actually is for Facebook team to grant you permission that this API and this page will get access to the messages. So this one actually it will require permission. So I will click on this request permission button. In this request permission button, it will show me summary of the permissions that are requested. Click request permission. Usually this step actually it may take up to 5 to 7 days, working days, from Facebook team to review the application. Facebook team require this actually, as I said, because they want to confirm that their products are used in a suitable way, and they want also to protect Facebook people, like because in this API we will request access to Facebook messages. I may need also to know who is the sender to this message, so that our API will read the profile information for the end user who sent message, like his profile name or profile picture, something like that. So this app review is required to complete the steps, and also to move the app from the development mode to the live mode. So in order to move this to the live mode, we need to complete the request permission and app review steps. This one also can be done from this side menu as well. From here, actually, it will provide a more detailed page on the permissions and what are the permissions that we will select. So this is the current request that just now I submitted from the other page. It requires pages, show list, and business management. Maybe I can edit and click more, or maybe here actually it will go. It will take me through some steps to answer some questions, like are you creating an integration to enable multiple business clients to manage their own Facebook data, something like that. So actually these are questions. I will go through these questions one by one and then answer them. Once I answer all of these questions, then I can submit the app for review. And as I said, it may take up to 1 week by Facebook team to provide the permission, or maybe provide more, request more detail from my side in order to proceed with the permission. So maybe after this, I will move straight forward to the next step of adding the next product, which is WhatsApp. As I said, these two are top products that usually our customer request to integrate with UCC. So I already added Facebook Messenger, and this is it is now already added to my product list on the left side menu. Now I click WhatsApp and follow similar steps to add WhatsApp. I click on the setup button. Yeah, now the WhatsApp is already added here. Actually, very similar steps also. We'll go through the steps now together as well. First of all, it will ask me to choose what is the business portfolio that we will choose for this integration. Of course, the business should be verified by Facebook. Once I choose the once I choose the business name, I can then click continue and move to the API setup or maybe configuration. It will also take me through the same steps to provide the API URL from our side, the authentication token, and so on. But anyway, the steps are very straightforward and very similar to the Messenger steps that we have already gone through just now. It's just to add the webhook URL as we did here, and then we choose the access token and the Facebook page. We choose what are the webhook subscription or the event subscription that we need, and then we submit the app for review, and that's it. So I hope this steps will clarify how you will proceed with the adding or integrating WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger to UCC. By following these steps, now UCC application will be able to get the messages from your Facebook page or your WhatsApp business number directly to the UCC, as we showed just now in the presentation. It will link the numbers or the business accounts to the UCC. All for this session. I consider this session as a pen, because in the main training session we wanted to focus on the core logic and the core use cases and what are the benefits of using UCC. But usually then we focus on the demonstration we have and try to use UCC and chatbot applet and other applets in practice. But of course, in order for the businesses to launch and to start with the UCC integration, you have to complete these steps first, and then next move to the UCC to create the projects, the virtual contacts, and start sending and receiving. So that's all for this appendix session. I hope it is clear and the explanation is useful for you. Again, when the business want to onboard any channel on their side, we will do these steps together with the development team. So the development team, of course, will help the businesses to solve all problems or maybe issues that may face. Okay, that's all, and thank you very much for attending this training session. Yeah, any question you can also send to my WhatsApp number or to my email address that I shared with you in the presentation. Thank you very much and have a nice day.